But we're recording, yes, we are aware.
I don't have a problem with coming.
So, what's the thing? So what's your chat? Like let's go.
Akafuna ukwehla esikhundleni
Listen, akafuni ukwenza esikhundleni. How long have been esikhundleni?
for 4 terms.
For 4 terms.
4 terms.
20 years.
Back to back.
But was he not doing something good?
Okay.
Like, did he not improve Kailicha?
Harare, siza ngeHarare.
Did he not make rents? Like now we have rents because of him.
Nothi Khayelitsha yena Khayelitsha yena ungu 1% eKhayelitsha. Harare. Sena ngo 37, 35, 34, 38.
Yeah.
Siyahlala.
So
That's what we're talking about.
So when you talk about 34, 38, 30, what is that? Because me, I'm not from Kailicha.
These sections zaseHarare izinthetha ngazo.
So he's in charge of a section.
Ward yaseHarare. Yeah.
Exactly.
So yengokuyenzeka.
So why you say uceba?
Ceba ikhansila kaloku, ward councillor kaloku. Ceba ikhansila kaloku.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
Izinto zidlula kuye.
I get you.
Ase last ba kuthiwa kuza develop lo ndawo. Yena ungumuntu ogqilela yena izinto ezifika kuye. Lo muntu uzisa izinto phakathi kwabantu. I believe so. That's my opinion about uceba. So if bana umchita like it's been 4 decades, like not 4 decades actually, but like 4 terms back to back. Kanye like kwenzeka like why isikhundle siyi1 funeka sihlale emnomnye or koko because lo muntu umdala.
But if he's good, if he's doing a good job, what do you do? Like he's doing a good job.
I believe the youth has an opposition to saying that he's doing a good job.
Okay, how old is he?
I think maybe he's not 40 years old. That's one thing I'm sure. He's not in his he's not in his early 40s. He's not in his late 40s. Let's say maybe mid 50s or so. Mdala.
I get you.
And this is like I think that if Bana Uceba, like, not to be political, I think if Bana Uceba like was a good person, I think ebeza involve a community and also ebeza ijonga bana ngobana badinga umsebenzi. I mean, you can't hire abantu abadala over and over again kodwa kukho abantwana like indanga zethu. I'm talking abantu abako 90 like
I hear you on that Ceba talking man. Kupela mi Ceba. Guys, please make sure that we are here. Oh, what did I say? Make sure.
Make sure.
I'm trying to make sure, no? But like, guys, please allow me to welcome y'all to Populous Chats. It's not Populace, it's Populous Chats. Udubane Sistamago is here, V is here, Tazoja is here, Sowetan Bad is here, Tamsa is here, Lucanio is here, Minati is here,
Shout out
Nova
to
Static is here.
Kamza.
I'm sorry, I'm biting on Meg G. We got Nandile here.
Yes.
We got Tush
The
here.
billionaire's wife.
Okay, we got Tulani here. We got Nandi. Nandi, what's on the chat today?
What's on my chat in Donna? There's solar.
Like, why are we starting with drama today?
No, and the solar kaloku in
I
the
love the hairstyle.
Thank you, babe.
And what's happening? But the one with the lace front, we have the lace back. Yeah, the like for a boobel and a surreal.
Of course. I wanted in this test skirt.
I see. Yeah, man. So Utini,
But yeah, what's pinned on my shirt in the solar outfit yamu. I feel like I been a friend in Nobile. Yeah, nanto nje into endistressayo at this moment.
Because of the
Yes.
Scooby.
Yes. And uba ubungatshonga uba impundu zami sisiqubi ngekho uncomfortable.
It's not even a Scooby, it's a Scoops. Like in a Scoops. Like you know, like in
Nguwena mkhazi ndiphume endlini ndizifila
Ukanetheni lena.
ungayibulali hey.
Bekuphuze tamama.
Yes.
Andinandaba, akho ndaba
What if
namhlanje.
indizisele ilakha indizisele imali? What if zimpukane zami?
Ngane yakho le.
What if
Ayingazofunga ku.
So you trying to tell me that uphume endlini like I don't know how much when like don't you have like a girl's girl like type of conversation like bone like oh chome ndiyashoot namhlanje. So it's like what, like I'm not sure man that can advise you on what to wear like
when I got here at work, Utamza told me you are so pretty.
Exactly.
And then we went to take pictures. Then she was a girl to me, but when I was figure papa unless it had the pictures what ayibona sisivelile.
Okay, it's
So-
fine. Since we have that relationship with systems, so what's your actually? Let me ask this question. What's your take on Tina? We have a bro code, whereby it's like we do things in a certain way. It's like if we drink a beer together, we we need to drink beer. Nobody needs to put beer in a glass.
Yeah, I know.
Or like, you know, if we're drinking black, we're all drinking black. No nigga gonna drink Handas. Like nobody's gonna drink Handas. You get me? Like it's along. We're all like, you know, one pipe, one don't. You get me? So what are your guys' take on like bro code for you? Like yeah. So
what's been on my chat?
but you already told
You told us about
Taba
was
I'm gonna
Harare.
come to my chat, like, but I'm gonna come as like, but I just wanted to ask that question.
Oh, nah. Yeah.
I'm gonna come to my chat for sure.
Mna kwi-situation yam guys mna bendiyizifila i-outfit yam and ucamza yaba ucamza I have a lot of videos ucamza une-fixing problem nje she will fix you.
You can tell from the beats.
ucamza will fix you
I
like
hope-
uzakulungisa and
na-
akazukuxelela uba okay unento erongo uzawuthatha ikama uba zinto zakuthatha ikama akulungise if uyiskipa sakho sime kakuhle uzawukwenza
she's
that's
gonna
a
fix it.
girl's girl.
That's a girl's girl.
Just like i-bro code but I feel like kuthi when it comes to girls yabo the word is very popular okokuqala abantu bayalithanda because the definition is very beautiful like xa uchaza uba yintoni girl being loyal to girls girl code
What's a girl
Show me-
code? Okay, what's a girl
girl
code?
code it's basically being loyal to girls like are you on your period
Just to every girl.
I get you
Who are you loyal
your hair
to?
is rude every girl even if you don't know
Okay.
even if you are not related to that person as long as she is a girl you need to understand but okay these things happen she can get on her period engalindelanga you need to
just
cover for yena yabo udibana naye bathroom ilokho yakhe iqhaqhekile you need to be yabo umsupport try to fix that issue but ke ngoku thina it's only popular like it's only popular and everyone
only
wants to be
populars.
yes everyone wants to be a girls but girls are very few uyabona
get you.
uphelelwa ngumtshato indoda yakho iyakufebela kukhona abantu ku-social media abanjengosiyanela bayakhaxaza bayaposta bayahleka ubethwe ngumfana bayayihleka loo nto leyo umfana wakho usendelwe inudes ufowunelwe nge-video call wavezelwa ikuku yijoke le nto leyo like you can't be checking but hi how are you doing I saw this thing trending are you fine even if
That's a girl's
yabo that
girl.
is a girl's girl
Girl's
but
girl.
abantu abanjengosiyonela bade bathi bona ndiyi-feminist uyabona ke ngoku
Yeah,
eligalma selilikhulu kakhulu because you are not even close to bu-feminist I mean you are popular ngokugezela abantu yabo xa kukhona umnandi lo trendayo kukhona into ethukisayo ngokuqala umention uba what's your take on this because you always have a negative take on izinto ezitrendayo but you still call yourself i-girls girl you still call yourself i-feminist because those are beautiful words with beautiful definition
I get you.
but few people exist who carry those words.
Okay, I get the
Yeah.
girlies. I get the girlies girl. It's just that I so hope like basically we had like a lot of girls here and stuff like that. I'm gonna come to the bro code. What's your bro code? Cause we bros, so it's like it's kind of like, you know, I'm gonna relate and I'm gonna say something, but like just to go back on my chat. What's on my chat is I'm excited.
Hayi, nami
But like,
ngidikile
what's on my
khona.
chat is I'm doing a Strand next week. Of course, Populous Africa. We're killing it in Strand next week. There might be another second, another second location, but we're not gonna say it
What
now.
are you exactly doing there?
No, we're just showing up. We're having a good time.
With who?
People in Strand with Populous Africa. Just because when you're not going, because you didn't get it on the group. Like it was on the group. Everybody said it like we're going to Strand. Like you don't know that, but like you get it. maybe. But you know, but like we're going to Strand, man. That's what's happening. Yeah, I'm doing a few things, man, for myself. So it's on my chat. So I'm doing. We're doing Tupperware now. Tupperware. So we're doing Tupperware. So now,
Tapa.
so
What do you
we're
mean?
working with Sowetan Body. We're doing like with the local with the Western Cape distributor of Tupperware in Western Cape, the whole of Western Cape. That's what we're doing now. Probably on the next episode, you're gonna see we're gonna be like, you know, everybody's gonna have a bottle and stuff like that. It's gonna be cool. Like, believe me. So yeah, we're doing Tupperware now. Tupperware, Tap Africa. Because a lot of people didn't know that Tupperware like closed. They actually did come back. I think late.
Utapha isikhaftini.
It's Kaftim, yes.
Tupperware, yeah, we-
So we on.
Bavalile.
Yeah, they did like have like a cut off whatever.
Oh, hayi,
You know. So
uyabhora
now
ngoku
they
kaloku.
back, man. The game hip hop game is healthy. The Bro Boys have a new merch. Popular's always got something that's dope, that's out. Like, you know. So yeah, let's make sure that we cop some Popular's merch. So when we show up in Strand, if you're not wearing a Popular's merch, hey, maybe we're not gonna be understanding your NH.
Also to add on top of that, Bafana Bafana itro wishile kunye ne Czech Republic, ne?
Turning away now.
Wait, can we talk about that later? Can we talk about
Wait,
that
wait,
later?
wait.
But that's negativity. Let's
No, wait,
No,
wait.
man,
Mamela,
no.
this is
We're
the
not
good
gonna
news.
talk win.
Here's the
No.
good news. Mamela,
Let me
sifuna
ask you a
mamela.
question. Listen,
Yim.
wait, okay.
Why you ngafuni ithethwe ngayo?
Yim.
Because it's like, how do you deal with negativity? That's negative.
That's you call it detail.
Listen,
Mamela.
okay, when as a
Yim.
listen,
Yim.
How is it
Yim.
negative if uthi ibafana bafana akakagqibi nothetha?
can we just get a win?
Yim.
How is it not a win?
Detail.
Okay, I'm listening. Say your point. Yeah, say your point.
Anyways, so if Bafana Bafana itro wishile, right? So you lose the game and our second game was a draw. We are still in a good. If we leave number 4, we are still in good standings because Korea beat you in Mexico. So now that means that South Africa in Korea.
But my thing is like,
Yima. I want to talk about the last 10 minutes of the game.
Ndifuna ukuva.
Yeah, Bafana. When you lose and a check.
yeah.
A boy for him, I feel like it's a go to, it's a idle ball. So he can't really ball because the money check. After like the last 10 minutes, I'm talking about the last 10 minutes, I apply the same pressure against the Korea.
Okay. My thing, listen, I get you, Korea, whatever. Korea is a very good team, first of all.
Sure.
My thing is like, why us as why do we always have to negotiate for a win? Like us, we're always in situations whereby it's like we drew, we lost, and now we're in a position whereby Korea needs to lose by 3-0. And then Czech Republic needs to be beaten by 2-0 for us to qualify. Now it's like there's 40 teams. Like why every time us we have to negotiate our thing? Like even when on the past World Cup, like there was a negotiation. Like I think I'm gonna call Bafana for my negotiations. I'm telling you.
Because they negotiate.
They're very good with negotiations. Bafana. They're very good. They negotiate. Like, cause they very. Why do we have to negotiate all the time, Tush? Why?
It's not negotiation, Mamela. How many?
But like now,
Wait,
are we gonna qualify if
Mamel,
we win the next game?
Mamel. It's been
Mexico
20
needs to
it's been
lose
20
by 3
Mamel,
goals or something.
wait. It's been 22 years since Sidlale on a world stage, on a high level like that. The last time Sidlala Payana, Kuba is the host. We never even qualified to be on the World Cup in 2010. Now, we worked our asses off, Banasifiki Payana, by through match, sa qualifier, grand sharp. The boys have put in the hard, they've put in the work, they locked in, Bafika. Let's appreciate the fact that Bafiki Liqal. Let's not take
Out, there's no lodge.
Yeah, man. Basingabaphuca ifle ngoku uyabaphuca.
Sorry, Nandile, that we have to.
Uyabaphuca ngoku ifle.
Desert
Anyways,
you.
anyways nalapho. It's not about ufuneke kuwine ngo-3 okanye kwathini. All I'm saying is this, into ebalayo ii-points. You understand? Asikabi nazo ii-points thina ezizathi bana zisenyuse. Singalenda ukuthi if bana siyibethe yithi should bana siyibethe iKorea siyenyuka thina because check.
But do you see the negotiation?
It's not a negotiation, it's just logic.
Okay.
But anyways, let's move on.
So if we win,
Should we win?
are we gonna qualify for the next round?
Siya qualify we on the
If
next
we
round.
win, we
Yeah.
qualify. So we only need a win.
Siyenyuka siba ku-position number 2. Simple as that.
I see the build up from from a loss to a draw to a to a win.
We win. Like what I'm saying is this, man. Like uhlobo badlale ngalo the last 10 minutes against the Czech Republic. Should they play the same way against the Korea? Bangoyiki bapresse. Bakwazi counter, bakwazi defend. My dog.
Listen, wait. I'm gonna try to be positive. I wanna put Nandile in this. Nandile, you see what we're talking about and what we're arguing about, ne? In this, for me, you know, Bafana is just negativity because like I just think negative when it comes to them. What's your take on
Why?
What's your take on negativity? Like, how do you deal with people that like are being negative towards you or whatever? Like, how do you just deal with negativity?
You just be in
reality.
the same, in reality, when you are a negative person, uhlale endaweni eyi-1, you can never, because at the end of the day, as they need faith. You just have to believe
So now
Oh,
you believe in
wait.
faith. Okay.
You need to believe. You need to have faith. Like you need to believe. Okay, this thing is going to happen.
Sure, for sure.
So you just need to look
Have
at it
faith.
in a positive eye, because if ungumntu negative, uyabona iBafana iyatyiwa nyani ngoku ityiwa nyani.
Yeah, but they
Kwala
drew.
one ufike nzima bebethandaza nje.
You get me?
Uya understand? So nje kwi-match ne-match ababanayo nizaba nako ukubamba amazinyo because bangabantu abatyiwayo. You understand?
Yeah, but
But you just need to be positive. Just see them winning.
Sesime ngombokazi, like that's
Just
the
see
only
them
guy.
winning. Yabona the negativity that you have Bafana, they will win. And iyo mhlambi lo nto le benza
like,
batyiwe.
Tush, what's your take on
No, I don't believe
negativity?
in-
Okay, let's
in
leave Bafana
negativity.
thing.
See again, Bafana.
Okay, how do you deal with negativity, just generally? Like people that will, like say you post something.
And another,
You will
I'm
post- listen, wait.
sorry. Who's opinion?
Okay, you will
Yeah.
post something on social media,
Mm-hmm.
and then people just start attacking you, and then being negative. Bah, how you uyathengisa? Oh,
Yes.
Putka yes nobani yahlekisa.
Yes.
Or Tush, you're not a good rap. Or Tulani, Xhosa hippie, you're not a good rapper. Like,
Mm-hmm.
that's all. Your hair is not that cool. Like, how do you deal with that stuff?
Yabona social media yeyona ndawo inabantu aba-negative. And again, they are not negative to themselves.
Listen. You're only saying that they're positive because me, I'm getting positive feedbacks all the time
Kwintoni?
on my social media.
Uyabanyubisa kaloku. They just want drama. They don't give a fuck about you. They don't care. It's really not about you. Uyabanyubisa. That's it. So I'm saying social media is full of negative people. And I'm so sorry.
No, I'm starstruck. And like,
Social media is full of negative people. And abakho negative kubo. Ba
not
negative
all
kuthi.
those social media people.
I'm not saying everyone, but
Yeah.
there are many. For instance, now when I started to announce about okay, Nandile on Populous Chats, people were like, "Uzothetha ntoni? Uzothetha ngamaxhego." The same maxhego niwafuna
but that's
ku-inbox.
what you don't. That's what you don't
Can
get.
you give me a chance,
Okay.
please?
Okay.
The same maxhego niwafuna kwi-inbox, but because when ubona uNandile ku-social media and now you believe ba ayikho into onayithethe ebhadlileyo, ayikho into onoyifunda kuNandile okanye ayikho into onoyi-understand, you do not know me. And then ke ngoku the negative people ngaba bahypiweyo, they were made to feel special. Oh, you are big on social media, you have these followers, and now opportunities ezivelayo, you are expected. You
Oh shit, sorry.
ngoku wena u-expect uba xa kuvela ii-opportunities zoba kuvula i-podcast uma ubizwe kuqala because wena kwi-social media bathi mommy, oh uyitye yonke mommy, they can never make me hate you mommy, this mommy that. Ngoku now you believe, kanti no baby girl, it's just on social media. You entertain them kwi-social media. Thina apha kwi-podcast asizuku-invite sikubize simamele wena ucriticize abantu speaking negative about people. I-right pha kwi-social media, nabo baku-social media, they don't care about you. No brand cares about you or cares to listen to wena uthetha ngabanye abantu being negative about other people. Interested uthetha ngawe and uNandile uthetha ngamanyala, uNandile uthetha, but at the end of the day it's my experience, it's my story. I have a right to tell my story. At least I'm not involving uBhutka Yesu ba uBhutka Yesu wazuma uThuzi andingeni ndawo. If it involves me ndithi mna ndathini yabo. So
Forgot to say
yeah.
pause.
Guys-
Forgot to say pause. Put pause.
Somebody pause.
Put
You need to
pause.
be careful.
Yeah.
Now you're saying things now. Well, you know who do you remember that movie? That one,
Charlie and the,
that guy that had a chocolate factory. Who was that guy? Who was that guy?
So yeah, man.
Winker, no, Swinker something. But it was a movie, man.
Willy Wonka.
Willy Wonka. I know better Willy Wonka. He's another.
Yeah, well, so i-negativity mna andiyihoyi and vele ke especially ku-social media. Ku-social
But
media ngabantu nje bamiserable.
let's come out of the social media thing.
Let's come out of the Bafana. Let's come out of
social media. So like just with negativity, leave social media like with people that you meet on a daily basis.
my daily basis is on social media.
So you don't have
Like
a life
outside,
on
like,
social media.
like outside of social media.
Outside social
Hey,
media. What's
outside it's just me and my family, and there's no negativity.
Excuse me.
Honestly,
yeah.
And then you, how do you deal with negativity?
yeah.
I think me. I'm just like a what one? Like I'm a nigga. Just give like positive vibes. Mine, I think with negativity, like I just experience it. I don't know if it's negativity, but it's like, dealing with niggas. Like, do you know a thing of dealing with a nigga? So do you know, like, a nigga will come, chill with you, have a good day, and then wonke umuntu like kuyahanjwa ngo-10 ubone umuntu uyagoduka. But a nigga will come in the morning. Go. Hey, khomang namjile behlena izolo man. No. Hey, phone man. So it's like dealing with niggas. It's like in negativity kum it's like ngawa awuyochomi yami. To me that's negative because it's like I'm like utheni i-situation izokwenzeka kuwe nento zakho but it needs to affect me. So it's like I'm done being a nigga. Like I'm just a nigga. Like I'm a nigga to my friends. A nigga is a nigga that's not your nigga, but is friends with your nigga. I don't think Namdi Aziva because that point like, you get me. You get me. But I was trying to get to a point. But I'm dealing with I'm trying to get to the negativity point, and I feel like I'm getting lost. But like I'm getting to that point where it's like I'm gonna say it in class. I'm sorry that I have to say it in class, the subtitles and stuff. But it's like go 5 ekuseni, bruh. Yeah, Putgayes. Like, I'm not Putgayes now. Dungumasoga sipe vimbi. So now I have to call him out first. Like to me, I don't like those. So for me, even it's like because uzothatha and you've been taking kwayizolo izolo. And I'm trying to uzonivuse ekuseni.
Oh, nemali ne?
No, man, but I'm not saying that but it's like I'm not on negativity, but it's like I think I just had to address that, like a nigga situation. You get me? So those are the things that like kind of piss me off and put me in a negative space because I'm a positive person. Oh, now I'm getting to my point. I'm getting to my point. So now I have to be a dick ass nigga. Hence I can say to people who I don't want to be a good person. Like it's fine. Not everybody gonna like me. Not everybody gonna think that I'm cool. Actually, I think you must take off the cap because they're like and I want people to see your cut. Dog. Like so with me, dog, with negativity, man, it's like I'll always channel it within me. Because before I become negative, there's a reason why I'm becoming negative. So if it comes outside of me, I just don't put it. I just don't take it in because I know, man, you are coming with a negative energy already. So it's like I don't babysit that. Like I'm like, no. So with negativity, to me, dog, it's like it's the same thing. How can I say this? There's a lot of things, man. Like I'm actually trying to put it like. Because when going away the body count, because we were talking with Nandile outside, like
Yeah, you're going too fast.
yeah,
Because,
because
like
with Putgayes, you need to catch.
wait.
Okay.
Negativity.
Negative.
Yeah.
Asikayiqebi pro code, ne? Asikayiqebi kwayi pro code.
But we're done with the
No,
bro
no,
code.
unqamile, ubaleke fast lane, chill.
You think so?
I'll blow it up, relax.
I
What
think
is the bro code,
kungamile.
Kuwe?
Yeah.
What is the bro code to you? What does bro code mean to you?
The fuck?
Lewe ba wisimbumbusi and yangiqapisa.
The bro code kuwe le.
Like, and we want Johnny Bumbus. But like, you get me? So a bro code to me, bro, it's like, now we apply. You want to apply? Yeah. We are buying. We've been drinking black labels for the whole day. Let's say, and then we're buying black labels. Now we run out of black labels. And when you just decide, you're just gonna go outside and buy a Hondas.
Uthetha ngawe ne?
In my situation, like my bro code, it's like, why is taking Hondas? We were drinking black. You were drinking black. Now we run out of beer. Now you buy Hondas. And you know what? You buy a fucking can. You buy it's about 500. You just buy 500 for you only. But we've been drinking. I spent money the last night buying us. Then I qabula when uthenge 500.
Akanamali.
Listen, wait.
Oh, okay, uthi i-bro code.
I
think he's still. I think he's still getting to the point.
Let me get to my
Okay,
point. I'm
okay.
getting my point.
Okay.
So it's like a bro code is like, we don't need to say it. Like we were sitting here drinking black label.
Yes.
Then you go saying,
or when are you hungry, you just go and buy yourself a guinya. No, Ngawa.
Okay.
You must
I get
fucking
you.
call us, all of us niggas. What are we gonna eat now?
So it's safe to say e-pro
Am I
code.
lying, Nandil?
So it's safe to say
100%
e-pro
correct.
code is an uncommunicated.
No.
Like, him. It's an uncommunicated.
I was with you,
thing
Nandi
within
Chile.
you guys.
Like, you're not gonna fuck a girl that I fucked.
It's like you wait. Like
It's not
the
spoke.
rules is uncommunicated.
Inzima ke
You need to
leyo.
get it because it's like
You just have to know.
I feel like
Dancing
I'm feeling
intombazana,
sorry for people that didn't
because
grow up in the
bro
hood.
code.
Ne? I grew up in the hood. I went to school in the hood. So I feel sorry for people that didn't. But it's like there's a bro code. Even niggas that didn't even go to the like hood schools or like they didn't grow up in the hood. They
Yeah.
have a bro code.
Sure.
Like
But
there's-
who does the pro code apply to?
Bro code applies to every bro.
Like, okay, we are a circle of 5. So I'm out.
Yeah.
Sichomi so by 5. Come on, meet my 5.
Sidudwe endaweni enye ngoku.
So-
I-bro code sesiyi-understandile nje uba chaza ukuthini uba kunyanzelekanga nibe related okanye communicate izinto. You should just understand uba okay ngoku
But
sizawutya.
now what is discovering or what was discovering is the fact that bana, not everybody had the same upbringing as probably I did.
Abanye abantu bazo-understand what
Because
it means.
our bro code.
I-bro code
of
ayifani
homo-
kunye
Exactly.
ne-girls code.
It's like
It's different.
With him, I can call him and say in the morning, I'm like, yo, Tush, I don't have money, dog, but like, I need to go to this thing. I have a shoot. Can you take me to the shoot? He doesn't ask. He knows that I don't have money. Because if I had money, I'm going to say, I have this much. Can you take me there? But you know what he's going to do? He's going to say, okay, sure. What time tomorrow? I'm going to come and rock up and pick you up and we're going to go there. And that's literally what we did. That's a bro code. You don't need to have to say, "Bana, oh, I'm broke." No, we already talked probably about that. So a bro code is also like this thing of like niggas just want to show up. It's like now we're just gonna go to clubhouse, like we're gonna go to bro clubhouse now, and we didn't talk who's gonna buy what or whatever, and then we just drinking beers, and then a nigga said, "We're in a clubhouse," and then when we get to clubhouse now, hey, nobody's buying beers now. We're just looking at each other like, yeah.
Okay.
Lounge.
Now let's move from low way. I want to ask, Nandile, do you think body count matters in a relationship?
Why are you reading? Did you write it down?
I'm not reading anything.
I don't think so.
Like I'm just asking a question.
No.
Your phone was off. I think
I don't think body count
You
matters.
write it down. So when
Ibody-
so you
Lento
prep. So
ye-
you're the only one that preps for the podcast.
Ulapha.
So you get prep when? Oh, you get prep when?
Doesn't
But they
matter.
continue. Talk. What are you saying, Tush? I'm sorry.
Ningaxabani.
We're not fighting.
Katyana.
Sithetha ngetopic emandi apha i-body count.
My thing is like, why is he reading?
What am I reading?
Akazi into nga-body count mhlambi.
Ngiyabuza, ngibuza umbuzo. It's just a question. Fly by question.
Are you coming to me because we were talking about body count outside?
And
Why?
Buza unandi. I would have said, but guys, what do you think? Do you think body count matters in a relationship? I would have asked Uputgayes. Now I'm asking Unandil. So
I don't think
Tell
it-body
me,
count
tell me on a
matters.
tablet. I don't expect anybody to read.
I don't
That's
think.
not- she's on
Hello.
Okay, sorry, Nandi. Bring it back.
I do not think body count matters in a relationship because yonke lento yeza namadoda. They were trying to manipulate us so that we focus on them. They tried to make us feel or believe that there is something that happens in your vagina when you get fucked or when you are having sex. Let me put it like that. When you are having sex, there is something that happens. Nothing happens to your vagina, sweetheart. Your vagina will end in the same day. They feel nothing. They think of, oh, I can feel it. They feel nothing. That's bullshit. And even if you because I remember my then friend once, that was in 2021. I was still a virgin that time.
So you said
and
then?
ibody count yakhe ayingu-20. 2021. Ibody count yakhe ayingu-20.
How old was
So,
she? How old was she?
She was ngoka-2002 wayemncinci kunami. I don't know uba wayinangaphi ngo-2022. But i-body count yakhe yayingu-20 ngelo xesha. She's
Uthi unangaphi?
pretty. That's ngoka-2002 andimazi uba wayinangaphi ngo-2021. But i-body count yakhe ingu-20. That time ndandili-virgin and ndandiqomba xa ndibalisela ngale nto ndiqomba andibaweli tshomi. Qha mna ndandihlolwa and ndandihlolwa endlini ngumama.
Galena,
So there was no way I could have sex that time because umama iyandihlola. But ndandiqomba umama ingasafe ndizotsho ndive le nto Yes, there
I
was a
get you.
point where I wanted.
I'm not gonna cap.
So let me finish,
Okay.
please. So i-body count does not matter because if ubeke u-Ansiwe up, ubeke mna. U-Ansiwe is pretty. Akamilanga kahle but cute, like cute, uyathandeka. And ke,
Guys,
if I was a guy,
Tell you on man.
I would go for her if I was a guy. And if ubeka mna, that time ubeka mna ne-body count yami engu-0, ubeke u-Ansiwe ne-body count yakhe engu-20, you would still go for her. So it really does not matter. Ngoku i-body count yami, I've just clocked. Andizuchaza uba ubani but ngigqiba kwangeza inani.
Oh,
And then ke ngoku ikhona like aninoyibhiliva benimxelela i-body count yami ubhuti kayesu uba ngubani yabo. The reason why ndingafuni uyixela ngoku andifuni idiscuss yabo because khona nabantu endalala nabo apha that I can't even count them because it was a thing, it was a yabo.
I mean, like, okay.
So
Okay, good.
so for instance, before like ukluza kwami uvirgin ne, it was a gang rape.
Oh, shit.
So
Sorry,
can bali
xolo,
body
man,
count
xolo,
fine.
xolo, man,
So
no,
can
xolo.
bali body count
Did they get arrested though?
I not at all,
Shit, xolo, man,
nothing.
xolo, xolo.
So can bali body count yam and funo thetha ngani bensithi body count yam ngubani bani yabo because now I'm not sure if I have to include aba bafana yabo. Dithi okay, it's these 6 guys and then ubani nobani enijole nabo yabo, but when I'm excluding them,
But don't
Yabo.
you think about inani le count yakho matter?
I don't think it matters.
Even as a point of umjita.
No, why does it matter? I think the only thing that matters in relationship mna is your health. Are we healthy? See test. Do we have kids? So that I know the people that are involved or are part of your life.
Oh yeah,
That's the
makes
only
sense.
thing. Indaba yoba ngubani bengene kukwini
Ufuna
ngubani
nonesithini
obetheni, I don't think they
Nxa
really
ngithiwe-
matter because
Hayi,
they don't really
zokazova ngawe,
make
man.
it different. That's why kukhona nento
Thank you,
ekuthiwa
sorry, guys.
i-change nokurepenta. Khona abafundisi apha babezidlwengu badlwengu labantu abayi-1000 yabo but bangabefundisi because barepenta and baxolelwa shem izono zabo zaxolelwa bazoyanyana ezulwini. So xa ungixelela uba mna i-body count yam
There's still
matters, that
body
means
count.
they will never be changed for me.
What's your
Ngenxa ye-body count.
Body count, yeah.
You know my body count.
I can't say it on national TV. That's one. But yeah,
national TV, national?
national
If
TV.
you can't say it, that means it
Popular is
matters.
national TV, dog.
I feel you.
Yeah, I understand that we're not local. National.
Okay, before Kuba
You wanna say international?
Body count according
To me, it matters.
Okay.
It matters.
For me,
I
I'm
don't
not.
like
I'm,
my man. Wait. I don't care, but it matters. And for an instance, like, and was band busy kunye now. You look like Shauli kunye no tamins or no tam sai or no tam.
Pangesh.
Yeah, I understand.
Born
And then
pangster.
when biza abantu chomi zam. Yeah, leave nandil. It's like akwazi ujola like I don't care, but then as far as brains go as far as it goes, should I ever learn that man say go up busy kunye na machita kandispana kunye now and now I consider them as friends, we're gonna have a problem.
I get you.
Yeah, I understand.
100%.
And then ngokule way ngicimba for like in this vaka you are thinking like xa ndibona ubunyani bayo ndiza kubona ndixelele futhi I see who you are and I don't think le way yaspana for him. Then I'll have to like sichithe indibano yethu singakeretsana oku but sichitha yona indibano dibene kunye
What's in Dibano?
indibano kaloku matters of heart. Yeah, I understand.
So,
But nalapho ndafunda nzima my dog.
yeah.
Like zakweba zacho. Yeah, I understand. But ke it matters though.
I get
As
you.
much as I don't care, it's like you went through what you went through. But I don't care. I just hope. I hope for your sake that man, I'm busy winning now, but you were not like you didn't fornicate with Bona.
I get you, bro. Nah, bro. Like, for me, like, I feel like me, cause me, I'm not I'm not a guy that like is out there. Like my body count is probably not even more than this hand, like 5. Like I didn't date a lot of people. Even if I was in a relationship with someone, I probably was in that relationship with someone for a very long time. So it would probably be like I did like 7 years. I'm on 4 years now, happy. Like you get me. So my body count is like it's not crazy. Like it's not even more than 5.
But your partner.
My partner same applies. Like cause
Okay, let's say your partner had like 15 guys.
no, I
on
don't.
like-
No, I don't think so.
Is there a
Let's
minimum?
say
Well,
would it be no banenda?
Yeah, I think it would affect me, man, in a
So
way. So
when
it's
I
like
get
I
in
don't
body
go
count
out also
matters.
looking for people that are just like out. It's like I get to know the person first. So me, my person that I'm dating now, we got to know it. We probably were friends first before we dated.
So getting to know somebody, you have to also know how many people they slept with.
I'm
I
not
think you
saying
get to
that.
you get
But
to
it-
know who they are.
You need to get to know who they are. What are their values? How did they grow up?
Let's say you got to know your partner and then you later realize you are in a relationship. You later realize that they body count yabo mhlawumbe ngu-15.
No, it probably go with me. I feel like that's your problem. It's like you don't. Me, I'm not attracted to just anyone. There's a lot of people that like DMs are going crazy, but it's like I
Umuntu xa ne-body count ephezulu is not just anyone.
yes, maybe they decide to change their life or whatever. But it's just like I'm just not built that way. Whereby it's like I can be attracted to somebody that has a higher body count. It's like
Akabhalwanga apha, you will be attracted to a pretty girl and
yes,
later find out.
but
uba
I'm not
une-
just attracted
are
to
you-
anyone. I get to know the person first.
But ke kulo get to know, I think awundiva. Kulo get to know the person.
Yes.
Obvious awuzumbuza nge-body count. So how are you going to?
But I can tell.
Uzawuthini xa
Nandile ningutsozi ngikhule esidaleni sayithufu nje ndiyazi mina xa ndibane mina yaba
Hayi ke,
hayi
so when i-target zakho ngaba udibana nabantu nabo esitratweni.
no, that's what you're not understanding. It's like I get to get the energy and understand who you are, and it's like as time as I'm spending time with you, like you it's like umzekelo for a fact. It's like my partner told me like, oh, you know, I had a crush on this guy and whatever. You get me for an example. And she just said that, and I went deep, and I will find out about, oh, if you're having a crush on this guy, who did you sleep with before then and then? Because we're still
now
friends.
ndiyakuva,
So
ndiyakuva.
it's easy. So like you can get to know somebody, and she just said like, no,
Oh.
me, I was beaten at home. I only had one boyfriend.
Okay, you can get to
You
know
can- you
someone
can get
without directly asking them
Directly
questions.
asking
But
them.
indlela abathetha ngayo uva
That
uba, oh, okay.
you can see their values, what they value. It's like I don't want to say shit, man, but it's like you can tell with someone
yeah,
like
I
Bana,
understand.
what values do they bring, or what do they know, or where they come from, where they grew up, or whatever.
Yeah,
It's like, for an
understand.
example, me. It's like in my life, I've never dated a well-off chick. Like umntana that imali kokwabo, like she's well off, there's got money, whatever. I've never dated. Like I don't have an experience somebody that's like driving a car or whatever. So all my relationship has been people that are like just genuine with me.
Kambu.
Nkambu. You get me?
Chat.
You get me? So it's like with the body count thing, it's like I feel like if you're cheater and you got the bro code and you understand the bro code, like you will never have a chick like that.
Okay, Epurgaira, I think ndinombuzo ne.
Yeah.
Xolo ndizayifunda le yabo.
Yeah.
Awusafuni.
Yo, yeah.
Kaloku Chaman.
Fundisa.
Chaman. Mamela, with that being spoken within the body count, why it matters in a relationship. I want to go to performance anxiety, machita. Why do you think men have performance anxiety during sexual interaction? Like uqoma like ya ukhashukile namhlanje. Xa uqala uyafika emetini yakho, xa uqala uyayihlaba.
I feel like we're on your topics today.
Because
Because the first topic was you, and then now you-
ungaphindi unyamalale
Why?
because of cost.
So what's your question?
Mamela, the question is like, why do you think men have performance anxiety during sexual interactions? Like weba umhlawumbe ukhashukile uqala like ulendika i-foreplay i-foreplay ne.
I think
Yim,
I get the
Sungam.
question you're asking.
Sungam. I need
I
to
get
finish
the
the-
question you're
I need to
asking.
finish the question. Fumanise ke ba like foreplay. Bayeke ba right bahlala bethetha. Khona ingoma kaStilo bagolide. It has to be our theme song. They talk. Yeah,
talk,
understand
they
that they
talk.
talk. Yabo.
You know when they talk.
Man.
Stilo is a bro.
Back in back on my question is that why do you think men have performance anxiety during sexual interactions? La weba uqale kwi foreplay ne ukhashuke mate ahashuke naye
I don't
xa
think it starts.
ungena ivele iwe
I don't think it starts there. Like, you know what? Like, listen.
okanye mhlawumbi ubethe baluchame fast
No, exactly. That's what. Like, let me tell you. The thing is that you've been
But
gaming.
somebody
Listen,
listen to me,
listen.
let
It's winter now. Also, so you need to be careful of what you're saying. So you've been gaming for like a week. Say, baby, yo, I can't wait to look your London. I can't wait to get me. You texting whatever you put in game. So now you order farming, but you don't even have land. You busy order farmer. A toilet. Like you don't even have land, but you're busy order farming. So the thing is like you've been busy order farming. The thing with us in Amajita, it's like you get to that moment whereby it's like, yela, I'm gonna say it. Can I say it in Xhosa? Awukwazi uchitha msinyane. I feel like every dude have that anxiety up until you have your person. Because it's like you don't want to take this chick from wherever she's coming from or whatever, umzise kuwe, and then ubeti not even a minute, 30 seconds.
for yours
Ufonyoza basically.
Oh, yeah.
Then we hit 30 minutes and then it's like, I would relax a bit up in the park. You get me? So you want to hold it.
Nandile
Yeah.
uthini wena
Uthini umbuzo
ile
wakho?
weza performance anxiety yamajita
But ubuza umjida, not gonna
no Unandile
Hayi,
will
hayi,
understand
You can only ask how she experienced it.
yima ndifuna ubuza ke
How she experienced it.
xa like uzibe kutheni xa ufile ba i-out yakho ikufonyozile
Mna ndithanda ufonyoza.
But he out yakhe.
No,
So
like-
the anxiety doesn't get it. That question you asked.
wait mamela
Cela undiyeke ndiziphendulele. Ndithanda ufonyoza, ndithanda umfana ongenapipi ongakwazi uzuma nje so that ungandixakekisi for i-30 minutes yabo so uyanyisa nyani i-30 minutes yabo abafana 2 minutes and stuff like that.
Where bani khona? Bani
Ngithanda-
wait yakho.
I'm now 45.
Yo.
Hayi ndisuka ku-39.
ya
Ndisuka ku-39 mna I went through shit and back. Yabo iKapa. I respect
Listen,
Cape
did you-
Town.
listen.
Yabona
39.
iCape Town. I respect Cape. Ndisuka ku-39 kgs. 2024.
lightweight
That was
lightweight
Very like ndandimkano nomoya
Unawuphatha
endleleni ndandibaleka ucinga ndine-choice
faka
ndipushwa ngumoya
amatye empokothweni
yeah.
ndandisela amanzi and then ndaqomba okay wathi umama mntanambuya because ngoku xa umngaka ndaqonda okay andizubuya because I'm studying and ikhosi endandiyenza required a lot of energy because ndandiloko ndikwiparade siyadrill like ikhosi yamapolisa
you're not link
imagine uphakamise ezaa tires ewe
Oh,
uphakamise ezaa tires yonke laa nto yabo and anamali
usesisicwinani usiso
and ke
Did
ngoku
you finish school?
kuye yes
Bethe.
mna yabona isikole the only reason mna I was passing esikoleni I hate school so much so xa ndifeyila that means noma ndiphinda le nto iyi-1 ngoku manje ndiphinda iklasi iyi-1 that means ndiyayithanda mos so
Singashifti kakhulu.
mna ayikho into like ayikho into endandiyifeyila mna
singashifti kakhulu kwitopic
okay
performance anxiety busafuna uthetha
ndithi
She was uyonanile.
ngigqiba istori sam abantu bazothi kutheni ndasuke ndangu-39 kg igqiseni ungu-45
okay
ndasigqiba istori mandisigqiba istori sam ndahamba ndaye ekliniki because kwakuye kufunwe nento zoba ufit na before kulaa course yabo so wathi ugqirha into abayikhalazelayo yi-iron yam wathi your iron is very very bad but ndiza kunika iipilisi ze-iron so
How
it's
is iron impahla
manageable.
wena?
hayi ke
Oh, iron. Sorry.
iron
Alright, no be iron
ndiza
yakho,
kunika like it's
assist.
manageable so ungakwazi uthathwa phayana yabo
Yeah.
hayi ke ndabe ndandivele after everything that happened in Cape Town ndandivele ndandimane ndikwi-dates eclinic for ii-check-ups to make sure uba andibethanga andosulelekanga zonke zo kubone
sulela ngalo
like after the incident
Guys, sikele nokhumsho like besitheleka mani English. What's
after
that? What
the
happened?
incidents ndandingumntu vele nje yabo nasesikolweni ndiloko ndisapota yonke loo nto leyo so I was well updated with my health but ingxaki yam yayokuba andina-appetite yabo so ndandiprescribe into zabantwana nda-end up ndigain so into inge-anxiety yamadoda I think mna with my past experience really uyakhumbula ndisithi last week on the last episode mna nato sekuchameni andinazo mna ezaa nto zoba umfana onepipi enkulu ndifuna uzunyuthi andinazo mna ezaa zinto like mna I like izinto in fact if it was up to me ngenzijola nomntu engenapipi nje at all I don't mind.
Why?
Like kwi-relationship zam zoyi-3 aba bantu bana-60 ucinga ukhona umuntu ongathi emncinci umile because ndimile kahle
kaloku
ngokhetha ixhego lina-63 lizokwenza
Lelo xhego
ntoni?
leswekile kaloku.
Yes, lizokwenza ntoni? So when it comes to into ze-intimacy mna, and I'm really not much of those in those things, but I think mna iya kulaa nto yoba abafana bayoyika utshitelwa, and umfana apho umbamba apho offender khona kakhulu is when you say i-sex game yakhe i-weak. Uyabo, that's where you
I feel like I feel
That
like
hits home.
yeah.
That hits home. That hits home.
like nah, me it's like with me it's like it's the same thing of bana you in a relationship. It's like I'm actually like I feel like it says guys it's like upis in alumnana and what you doing is like upis I'm mad. Like I think I even did a video on that. Upis I'm mad.
Up and
Let's go,
down.
baby. No. The only thing that she wants she just need to ride her down. Like she just want to ride a dick when upis I'm mad. Let's go, baby. You're supposed to be relaxed. That's one of the things. Tina Singamachi doesn't know where you need to satisfy here. You need to be happy. You don't need that. The only thing
So-
that listen, if you're gonna let me get on top, let her. She just want to run a dick. Let her run a dick.
Okay, so would you say that? So would you say that like la performance, that whole let's go baby,
You
let's go.
should feel free as
Wait.
listen. Wait.
I wanna ask
If
this
you
question. I
Pure,
wanna ask-
listen, wait. I'm not gonna. I'm not.
Hey!
If you pure, if you're a clean nigga, you're a clean soul, you're a happy soul, you just gonna be yourself and you're gonna communicate everything. Because now the thing, you know what we do? It's like, your sleep is me off, weather's me off, so that she doesn't sleep the whole night. But when you're in a relationship, you know that, but you're gonna do the 30 seconds and everybody's gonna be like, oh, baby, that quick was fire, let it go.
Oh,
You get me? Now it's the thing. I think the ends ahead. You get it when you having sexual intercourse for the first time with someone.
and you are doing it to satisfy,
That
not
person.
because you are in love. You are
Because
trying
now
to be intimate.
ungilobhudika yeso ngilokhosa ibe ngilonandile. Ngoba ufuna ubanda. Like you don't want to be cold.
Kaloku, Ima, this is where I wanted to
I
ask. This
get
is the
you.
clearly I wanted to ask this question. That about like let's go, baby, let's go.
Yeah.
Kwaba,
Yeah.
yabo, yena where's if una whatever. But it's like, do you think that pornography is what causes us much?
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah, nigga.
Then would you say that? So it's safe to say
Yeah,
that man,
yeah.
it reduces
Yeah.
intimacy.
Yeah.
Because now we call that's not being intimate. Thousands are no way.
Exactly. Like me, I got like I do check the X videos now and then. Like you get me. So it's like it's not a bad thing. Like I do go in X videos and check. Like, okay, but it's Surreal. Who got the fresh Surreal in the X videos now? Oh, Cherokee DS. Like niggas do those kind of
Amazu
things.
mini stallion.
I don't know. I know, Minister Leon. Like, I know, Minister Leon. Give you your vibes.
Someone said that.
I know.
Someone said that.
I know, you get me. So it's like shit like that. So it's a thing that people need to be open about. It's like me, that kind of shit. I talk about my girl too, and like we talk about that kind of shit.
Oh,
So
yeah.
it's very easy, man.
So okay, now this now we're gonna move from the way. Nandile,
So why
Wait.
are you editing the questions now? I think
Wait.
I had the tablet.
that doesn't matter, dog.
Okay, it's fine. Huh? Quite direct.
Like the thing is this, Gabo. It's all good. So the thing is that well, like where I'm actually gonna go is that one. We know that women are the more emotional beings. Aliteti kakubi lewe, ne? And I understand and like the kusweli oleti, hleka khulu oleti wami. I understand abamneti, yabo. Xa ukhala when uyintombazana, I want to know ndifuna ukwazi wena as individual when you're crying as intombazana uzibeke kutheni, and also njengoba ukhala, is it because that bana i-feelings zakho ufuna uzi-expressa and then once you feel like how does it feel xa soqomba okay yeah ndithethile ngoku and then ke ngoku undivile lento ndiyithethayo lo mntu. Ya ufuna umbuzo wami?
Nope.
Awu. Ufuna ndiyakubuza bana ngaba xa ukhala kuzibe kutheni.
Listen, what you want to ask? I think like, can I ask you? Can I ask this question for you? What you want to ask is that, Bana. I think you was a machine, but I feel like
Manje ndifuna uqala kunandile qala.
I get you, but like ask me first, Ms. Again. Is it okay for me to cry? That's what you want to ask.
Yes.
Is it okay for a dude to cry? And what does Nandile take off that? Or like, I'm a maid. How do they deal with? I'm a color code dog. They have four.
Amadoda awafanelanga ukuba akhale qho.
Yeah, go.
Uyabona thina sikhala u90%. Nina you should just cry 10%. Yes.
We should
Because
cry.
as men zinqabile into ezinokukhalisa. It has to be real serious. Mhlawumbe ubethiwe
But me,
okanye uchithelwe okanye uoffendiwe. You can't just cry because you're hungry. You can't just cry because you miss someone. You can't uyabona
Yeah.
thina siyakwazi ukhala even if you don't want to cry, but yabo khona into okuthiwa zi-hormones when you are pregnant or when you are on your periods.
Yeah.
Yabo and nawe ke uazi iyakwazi ukufikela sewungekho kwi-periods kuthi kanti you are close. Uyazibona nje for instance mina ndiyakwazi ufika apha emsebenzini ndifike ningekho ndikhale.
I get you.
Sometimes ngiqona ndiyarequesta ndiyahamba ndikhathazekile yabo but ndi-realize ba it's not like
So that's why you sent a message. You said, if good guy, yes, you late.
and I was
I'm gonna
really
cry.
going to cry. I was actually
I'm
going
sorry,
to
man. I
cry.
will never be late again. It's
Yabo
because of the beach in Umlomo.
but I wouldn't expect you ufike emsebenzini ukhale just because unandi late.
I get you.
Yabo,
But me,
ayino
but for me, no, I feel like I think I'm different. Me, like I just cry randomly.
Yo,
It's like I can listen to a song and just cry. But like I do it in silence and I make sure there's no one around or whatever. Siska is. But I think like cause I feel like it takes something from your shoulders. Like something like
ukhala
because
ubone.
like one thing you need to understand is like with this thing that we have, we're not just carrying us. We're carrying ideas of the people that were here before us. Me, I believe in ancestral stuff, like ancestors and stuff like that. Like Kamago, Togoza, Go. Like, you know. So for me, it's like I get those. It's like some of the things that I say it because I feel like as Tetwandim, but I'm just a vessel. So it's like when you're a vessel, it's like you experience things. It's like even with people when they meet me, it's like, Kadiboa, but I'm like, that is something that I tap into. Like that's not like it's something that I need to be alone. Even when I do my videos, even my part, I tell her, baby, I want to record now. I'm gonna record now. Early in the morning, she needs to go. Yeah, I'm gonna record my videos because it's like it's not just to entertain people, but it's to teach people. So I cry a lot.
I wonder how it feels to date a content creator.
I'm not a content creator. I think I just spread the message, but like I say it in a way that it's not gonna harm you. So I'm not trying to hurt anyone with my content of what I'm doing. So it's like, hence I'm saying, to me, Uglila,
Nimile kahle kodwa nechomi yakho. Nempundu nehips.
Kale hoodie yami this can I? Yes, bonus and it's real shit. Like I used to hate it. Like I mean, I know, but like you know what my girl usually says to me. She'll be like, "Oh baby, I'm gonna date. I'm a tanga. You get me? Now I know I got big thighs and shit and whatever, but like I'm trying to be okay with it because it's like if I don't show up as me, who's gonna show up for me? You get me? So it's like I work out, so I try to deal with it. Like I'm built like Casper, you know Casper? Casper in your verse. Like if you see Casper's body built, like I'm not far fetched from that.
Ukaspa ngilone braid ende.
Akasana ponytail. That was like 2020. That was like 2015, 13 Nandile. Where you at? Kusheshe. I'm round in my kusheshe.
Yabona zipsi zakho
Dadile. Ucela wonke on YouTube now. I got hips. Nigga, bitches wish now.
I wish.
What's the
I wish.
Okay, like
I wish.
You coming with your questions again?
I'm trying to drive a conversation.
Yeah.
Understand? So
Do your
like
thing.
back then where you're Lila, I know you and you are a crier.
Yeah.
Like what's Khalela ku TikTok, Khalela song empty.
Yeah.
And Nah, like he's a fan, KMT.
Yeah,
Like what they were lead, like come on, like I thought he was pulling a joke, but then he was serious. What Kimbinika? Yeah, I understand. And I didn't understand what since I know, but he was like, yeah. But you don't fully booze as such. You don't fully booze as such.
Yeah.
When Andy,
Where's that kaka? Where's that?
do you think
Asoze sendiphendulile.
should men suppress the feelings zabo?
Yes.
Should they suppress?
Yes.
Like nigga bacinezele.
Thetha Nandile.
Bese
Yes.
ndiyiphendulile.
Uthi yes. Why?
Yes, because uyabona i-reason yoba umfana akhale, it has to be very 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 serious.
Exactly.
But so like
Awukwazi usuke ukhale nje.
Ukhalela
umfana.
ibhensa nje.
okay. No, I'm not saying I man, got your language.
Oh, sorry.
Like it's like should they even if
It
Lelo
depends
iyabasha.
about what you are feeling. Yintoni ukutyayo.
Okay.
It depends by yintoni ukutyayo.
Now we can move on.
Give me an example. Ndizakuxelela uba yi-suppress okanye yi-suppress.
No. Like now, befuna just ubuza nje umbuzo. Befuna just umbuzo.
Okay, let's move on.
You cannot cry
Let's move on.
for you not having. You cannot cry because there's no food at home.
Yeah, exactly.
What are you crying
You
for?
can't cry because you
Get
are
the
unemployed.
fuck up, go and fucking hustle and bring
Yes.
fucking food home.
Amagoja ahamba ngoku hope nizothengisa iitumato ezibazithengisayo.
But don't say that word.
Eliphi?
I don't like amagwecha.
Or i-foreigners.
Yeah, because when you see them amagwecha, it's like
Hey, and
I have
on
friends
the
that are
30th
foreign.
of
I
June,
have friends that are foreign
I'll be
nationals.
sleeping at
Because
home.
Gogu, and it's crazy actually. I wanted to talk about it. It's like ukama gwekhala ngo.
Kanjani
You
ngoku?
know a gwekhala.
Hayi bo.
Sekwekwala.
Ili gwekhala like the way that you called like igwe, and then abe nomntana nekhaladi.
Nolwimi ke wena.
Ligwekhala. Amagwekhala. Like uibhindo. Uibhi ligwekhala. It's like, Abo, you are Congolese, but you got a Africans, you got like a colored accent. Nah,
Ibi.
bro. You don't know Ibi? Nah, bro. What is Ibi? Ibi got a kid at Igwekhala. Like with what you said, Ligwekhala.
So uthini uthi mama ungahambi?
Batafayela ndoni. Me, I love my foreign nationals.
Hayi,
I'm
nam
friends with a lot
shem,
of foreign
guys.
nationals. And it's
Yabona
like, and my
leyo
friends,
bulala
they are here
yezithini.
legally. So it's like, what's your take on that?
Hayi mna, my take is that on the 30th of June mna ndilala ebhedini yam. I'm not killing anyone, I'm not chasing anyone, because even if they leave, they found me struggling, they will leave me struggling. It takes nothing, it changes nothing.
Exactly.
Government must fight for. I'm not fighting for anyone battle.
It's the
because this is
government,
not
bro.
my
It's
battle
not.
at
It's
all.
not. It's not.
It
It's
won't
not.
make difference to
It's
me.
not. It's not
But
foreign.
yeah.
It's not foreign nationals.
My brother.
Bethi ithanga kangaka.
What about it? Now,
Nandi.
let's blonde man. Yeah, cheese. Well, I be sis.
Okay, sure. I'm just gonna like Rokas, please forgive me. So yeah, now we're gonna get into hip hop culture, right? So instead of that's one. We are not a news bulletin. Yeah, I understand. So that's one thing I think that people should understand.
Yes.
We are driving conversations, we are chatting here. So like we have this thing.
Yeah, because
understand.
sorry, not to cut you. I actually seen with the comments also like on socials and stuff like that. People have been saying it's like we are not doing this podcast to be the smartest people or to look smart or to have the best information.
Yes.
We're just sharing what we know with the level. Maybe we're not the smartest people in the world or whatever, but we're just sharing of what we're thinking on real time, real energy, and you get it here first.
Maybe if you can, if it's possible, start your own podcast.
Exactly. Like, stop killing us on the comments. Hey, fuck off.
Asipayisa ngurhulumente uba thina sixelele nini uba nithini noma ningapreach i-pregnancy apha. It's not like abantu koyeka i-teenage pregnancy. Why ngoxa sendithetha ngendaba zami soba influence usifundisa ntoni ndizofundisa nini uba ngihluleka kwisikolo uyibhude esikolweni sobe sayibamba
Look for good role models. Your mom is your role model.
Yes, your
Not to
grandmother.
Yesu, not to Nandile, not to Xhosa hippie. Please. Just I want her.
Thank you for featuring me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I think silidlulile ixesha lethu for the day.
Asoze.
Yes. Silidlulile ixesha lethu.
I think my problem with
So
I think
now we have to wrap it up. Yabo.
Why
From
don't-
Tulani Makabane aka Xhosa hippie. Mna Diadibabaisa Rockers.
Why are you
Anything
closing?
you
Why are
have
you
to say?
closing? I'm not closing.
You're not closing.
I'm not closing.
Hayi.
Like, ngifuna ukugcwalisela I'm
Hayi.
Agcwalisele. Shoot kuwe. Shoot kuwe.
Just sing it now.
la masuda amaningi.
I'm
Let's
telling
leave Jubjub
you.
alone. Leave Jubjub alone.
Hayi. Leave him alone.
makayajele.
For ntoni?
For none.
For
Leave
kuphula
Jubjub-
umthetho.
Hayi,
Kuphela
man.
ngisho-
Hayi,
kwayazi
man.
uJubJub kwayila show yakhe nje inayo
Because
into yokuphula
uyafumaneka
i-rights
kweza nto
zabantu.
zakhe.
Uyafumaneka now.
Nawe ngifumaneka it's none of your business ube ungikhabela umnyango ngobusuku uzogqoka ubandela shit.
Leave Jubjub alone. That's an OG. Me, I'm a
Anyways,
big fan of
it's
Jubjub.
fine. It's fine, Sha.
Wenze lo Jubjub kasixele wenze lo Jubjub.
uJubJub udubule
Yo.
What's happening?
uJubJub man.
Allegedly.
Allegedly.
Banjiwe.
Ayo alleged.
It's not
It's
like
not alleged.
Xolo Sifiso.
And his Mamelinda. Jub arrested following alleged altercation with e-hailing driver.
Yima. Uthina
The
ni?
rapper and TV host Umolem uJub has been arrested after alleged altercation with an e-hailing driver.
Xabene no Uber.
He faces 3 charges, including defeating the ends of
Wabe
the
aya
hands of
lamasu-
Yo.
justice,
Wabe
following
aya.
claims he discharged a firearm during the incident.
Yo.
The incident.
Nina noma respect amakhrodman ingxakeni. That's the thing.
Le yenziwe ngubani lo mfana bevele apha unethathu ezimnyama ezilapha ebusweni.
Ori kanjani?
Ngubani lo
Ushebe shit.
mfana? Ushebe shit. Nguye lo it's the same lo ukhuphela iyazi abantu ifame ikwenza ufila ngathi uyi-president, you are bigger than everyone, you can get away
It's not
with
about
it.
fame and shit.
It is.
Like
Yintoni ebayile ba umuntu xa ibhaqwe
Ndikhokhele
efeba ade
meli
ayebaleka
bami.
avule emnyango azoqoqa ebhedini nomuntu wakhe ungenapho
He's
bandayo
doing a show.
Ele.
by disrespecting my
It's
privacy.
the same thing. Nana uthele ngabantwana babegajola intshulu be-restaurant nawe apha kwi-podcast. Like, you can keep that to yourself and talk to her
I'm
about
not-
it. But why are you saying it in a podcast? Because you're
Good-
doing work.
Yes,
Uyasipana,
that
shit.
is so
He is
different.
working too.
Jub goes to people's spaces.
Yes.
Invades their privacy.
Yes. Who
Why
allowed
ba
that?
kana right yokwenza? Who allowed
It's
it?
the partner of the person. The person
Yes,
told
there
them.
is me without the partner. Why are you allowing izinto emazize kum?
Listen, if u-Adam ucinga uyachita wena awuzuya ku-Adam unomcela ubani
But uAdam une-right yondimangalela for ukuya
other
kwakhe.
people thought bana let me call Jub because you know what
Hayi
Jub gonna show.
ube berongo ke makabanjwe ke i-justice nje noba upopular noba ukho popular it must be served.
I think people just need to be normal. There's nothing as being popular other than populars.
I mean,
Like stop because nobody's
Yeah.
popular, man. Like this thing of we're all human beings.
Yeah.
And like I understand people always do these things. Oh, thank you guys for 200,000 followers and oh, thank you for 1,000
get
followers
into
on TikTok.
popular.
I swear, man. Like just do the shit.
Shut
Keep with the
up.
consistency. But thank you for 100 million likes. I swear, man. Keep quiet.
But yeah,
You get
guys.
Yeah, man. That's the end of the show. I think it's Kabile, man. Like, what are we missing?
I think siyibethe yonke that. Sijabule yonke.
And you're reading. Yeah, you were reading.
Ah
today.
man, no
I love you guys
Stop
so
being
much.
negative,
You
man.
You
know
didn't
Stop-
do prep.
that.
You didn't do prep.
And also, please,
stop being negative, man.
Don't
Hey, guys,
forget
negative.
to
Our producer-
commenta. I-comments zenu are very important and siyazithanda. Ni advise where you want to advise. Nincoma apho nifuna uncoma khona. Your
Trend, we
feedback is
coming.
very
Trend, we
important.
coming. Minati, our producer, is
coming.
writing an exam. We need to pray for you. Let's pray for Minati.
We love you so much.
Bye bye, guys.
Noba nisigezela ku-comment
Buy
section
Popular Smerch.
ndiyanithanda mna nandi le M ndiyanithanda
Popular
kakhulu
Smerch.
guys one
Populous
by one.
Africa.co.za.
Nithenge ikepusi.
You don't even want me to say
bebuzile buy imali
but
ikepusi.
www.
ujonge
Populous.
ku-www.populous
Populous
ne-track
dot-
suit. Bye guys, these are my brothers. I love
Bye-bye,
you.
yini.
Yes. Oh, awuphuzi yancamisa. Yeah.